Very good, Ashvika. Yes, Shireen, what is earthquake? Tell me.
What happens when
आप बता रहे थे हाँ हाँ और अच्छा वो आपको वो राइम याद है विगल विगल वाला याद है
बताओ?
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
हाँ that's okay sing earthquake
No, wiggle, 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 wiggle.
हाँ good
It's just different order. The ground shake, order. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
very nice good Shireen good so that means when the earth is shaking that means it is an earthquake ठीक है आप लोगों को जो मैंने कल राइम भेजा था वो बेसिकली यही समझाने के लिए भेजा था कि एक्चुअल में अर्थक्वेक का मतलब क्या होता है so now I'm showing you a picture everyone look on the screen okay Acha, now can you see this picture everyone? Yes or no? Can you see it?
मेरा घर है ये.
Acha, just a second, I'll share it again. So, this picture shows that there is an earthquake. That means, can you see the roads and houses? It is all, they have a crack on it. Good. Okay. So, when the ground is shaking and the house is shaking, they get cracks. So, this is the symbol that we get to know that it is an earthquake. Okay. जब सब कुछ हिलने लग जाए, then understand that it is an earthquake. Okay. Achha, now the basic thing that you need to see that how will you get to know that there is an earthquake जब आपका fan shake कर रहा हो okay when your fan shakes you have to understand that it is an earthquake okay if you are in the home inside the home when you are outside the home then what you will do तब आपको पैनिक नहीं करना है पैनिक मतलब क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा ऐसे नहीं करना है यू हैव टू वॉक डाउन कामली टू अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस यू विल थिंक सेफेस्ट प्लेस कौन सा होगा जहां पे कोई बिल्डिंग्स नहीं होंगी जहां पे कोई वायर के पोल्स नहीं होंगे ओके ताकि आज अगर कुछ हिले तो वो आपके ऊपर आके ना गिरे ओके तो आप कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे अपने आप को यू हैव टू वॉक डाउन टू अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस ठीक है नाउ सी वन मोर पिक्चर हियर ओके नाउ हाउ विल यू रन टू अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस कैसे रन करोगे आप टू अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस जब आपको सिर्फ अपने हेड कवर करना है ताकि कुछ ऊपर से गिरे ना और हेड कवर करके यू हैव टू वॉक डाउन टू अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस ओके एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड कैसे कवर करेंगे हम अपना हेड ऐसे कवर करेंगे हम अपना हेड and then we will run down to a safest place I mean we will walk down to a safest place okay ऐसे कवर करके ताकि आपके पे कुछ okay now one more picture for everyone if we are inside the house what we will do we will crawl down to where under the table yes we will crawl down under the table and we will hold the legs very firmly okay so these are the safety measures that you can take when you see that there is an earthquake अगर आप घर के अंदर हैं तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे टेबल के नीचे जा सकते हैं बेड के नीचे जा सकते हैं और चेयर के नीचे जा सके, just to protect your head and few of the body parts, whichever you can protect. Okay, but basically you have to protect your head. Okay, आपको हेड अपना प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना है, बिकॉज दिस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन फॉर आवर होल बॉडी. हमारे होल बॉडी को चलाने के लिए दिस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. ओके, सो वी हैव टू कीप दिस हेड प्रोटेक्टेड. ओके एवरीवन, नाउ I'll show you one more picture. If we are in a school, so what we'll do? Okay, just a second. If we are in a school, what you will do? What we all will do? See, can you see the babies? They have wore their helmets and they are under the table. Okay, so they are protecting their head because it is an earthquake. They have crawled down to their tables and wore their helmets so that their head is protected. ठीक है, earthquake क्या होता है? जब सब कुछ शेक करने लग जाता है. ठीक है, जब सब कुछ शेक करता है, that means you have to protect yourself and your family first. Okay, so आप अपने आप को और अपने साथ वालों को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे? आपको कोई सेफेस्ट प्लेस में जाना है. अगर आप बाहर हैं और अगर आप घर पे हैं तो आप टेबल के नीचे जा सकते हैं, चेयर के नीचे जा सकते हैं, अपने हेड को कवर कर सकते हैं. if you are on the bed, then you can cover your head with a pillow and then you can take that pillow along with you and you can slide down under the table, chair or anything solid, very solid, but not near the glass. Okay, if you will stand near the glass, it will break and it will fall over you और आप लोग hurt हो सकते हो. Okay, now I am going to show you a video. Acha, before that we need to see the drill. Okay, this is the drill that we do when we are facing an earthquake. So we will drop ourselves on the ground, then we will go under the cover and then we will hold on. We will hold the legs very firmly. Okay, so this is the safety drill that we do. Okay, okay, now the video time. Just a second. Okay, so the first video that we are going to see is the earthquake rhyme. Okay,
Safe in an earthquake. Gotta remember the earthquake jam. Are you ready? Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes must stay safe in earthquakes. Make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes stay safe in earthquakes. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover under something strong. Stay away from it can fall, it can crash. Stay away from the glass, it can fall and crash. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes, let's stay safe in earthquakes. Make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes, let's stay safe in. What can we do in an earthquake? Hide under your desk. Or find a place where you can hide, where things can't hit your head. Yeah! What can you do in an earthquake if you don't know what to do? Just make sure that nothing can fall down on you. And if you get stuck, someone will come soon. Just tap, tap, tap on the wall with a rock, and they'll know what to do. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes, let's stay safe in earthquakes. Make the ground shake. Earthquakes wiggle, 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 wiggle and shake. Earthquakes make the ground shake. Earthquakes, let's stay safe in earthquakes.
Okay. Okay, everyone. So, what did you understand by this rhyme? कुछ समझ में आया इस राइम से? हमें क्या समझ में आया हमें इस राइम से कि जब भी अर्थक्वेक आए तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें अपना हेड कवर करना है और हमें कहाँ जाना है? टेबल के नीचे जाना है. यस. और अगर हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता कि हमें अचानक से अगर अर्थक्वेक आ जाए हम क्या करें? सो यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड अ सेफेस्ट प्लेस. ओके, उसके बाद somebody else will come up to protect you, but for the time you have to protect yourself. आपको अपने आप को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है? आपको बस ऐसी जगह में जाना है जहां पे कुछ भी चीज आपके ऊपर गिरे अगर तो आपको हर्ट ना करे. ठीक है? Okay, everyone, understood? Now we will see one more video related to earthquake only, so that we understand earthquake in a better way. Okay. Okay, so there is this girl who is telling us about earthquake. That
I said don't panic.
just a second. Okay, so what is happening? Can you hear the sound? Zzzz. This is the earthquake sound. Okay, so what is the girl saying? That don't panic. That means इधर उधर भागो मत कि अरे अरे क्या हो गया है, अरे हम कैसे बचेंगे, ऐसे नहीं सोचना है. Keep yourself calm and composed. Okay, then only you can find a best solution. Now see this video, everyone.
If you panic, you won't be able to do the 3 most important things about surviving an earthquake. Okay. Drop.
So first drill ka first step is drop. Drop means you have to put your body on the floor. Okay.
Cover and hold on. Let's start with drop.
So the earthquake comes like this. Everything starts moving.
Even if you're sitting on the couch.
Wherever you are sitting, you will start moving and everything else will start shaking. Okay.
Favorite show. Or you could be sitting at your desk doing math homework. You need to drop to the ground.
Yes, you need to drop yourself on the ground.
After you drop, the next thing you need to do is cover yourself under something. You can climb under your desk.
So what we can do, we can climb ourselves under the desk, okay, so that our head and the rest of the body is protected, because desk is quite strong and then it can take the weight of the rest of the things if anything falls over the desk.
Under the dinner table, or if you're in bed, you can even cover your head with a pillow. After you jump and cover, it's time to hold on. If you're under the desk.
Now, the third step is you need to hold the table's leg very firmly so that it doesn't fall anywhere. And if you are holding it tight, it won't fall anywhere and your head and the rest of the body will be protected.
If you're under the table, hold on.
Yes.
No matter what you climb under,
Hold
on.
Yes.
Now that you know the 3 most important things to do in an earthquake, there's really no need to panic. Just drop, cover, and hold on. This earthquake safety message has been brought to you by Mrs. Mail's 3rd grade class.
Okay.
I'm in.
Okay. So now you understood how you will protect your body and the head while there is an earthquake. समझ में आया? कुछ समझ में आया? थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया? चलो मैं क्रॉस क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ ताकि I am able to understand that you are able to understand. Ashwika, bless you. Ashwika, Bless you. Ashvika, can you tell me, how will you get to know that there is an earthquake? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि earthquake आ रहा है?
नो हाँ मैम को रिप्लाई करो पहले.
आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि earthquake आ रहा है? क्या होएगा? क्या क्या हो रहा होगा?
अभी आप बता रहे थे ना मैम को.
आपने अभी बताया था. यस.
बताओ किट्टू.
जब सब
earthquake
कुछ
आएगा
क्या होने लग जाता है? बताओ. जब सब कुछ क्या होने लग जाता है? हाँ 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 हाँ. हाँ, shake. When everything shakes. हाँ,
देखो trees,
सब कुछ.
house,
Yes, if you are
सब
सब
everything.
कुछ
मैम को देख के रिप्लाई.
हाँ, अगर आप घर के अंदर हो तो फैन हिलेगा, then tables move करेगा, chairs move करेगा. And if you are outside, buildings will shake. Okay, that's okay. Buildings will shake, trees will shake. Okay. Now, Shireen, if you are inside the house, if you are in the house, so how will you protect yourself? If you are inside the house, earthquake आ गया तो आप अपने आप को कैसे बचाओगे? How will you protect yourself?
घर के अंदर कैसे आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करोगे? What is this?
बताओ.
क्या करते हो?
कहाँ जाओगे आप?
टेबल के under the table.
Under, yes, under the table. Very good, Shireen. Good. We'll climb under the table. Very good. Now, Yatharth, tell me, आप क्या करोगे अगर आप घर के अंदर हो और बेड के ऊपर हो तो आप अपने आप को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे? बेड, अगर आप बेड के ऊपर हो तो if you are over the bed, on the bed, then how will you protect yourself? हम किस में अपना हेड रख के सोते हैं? किस में अपना हम हेड रख के सोते हैं?
किस पे सोते हैं?
किस
हम
में
अपना हेड रख के
रख के?
पिलो.
किस पे रखते हैं?
सोना सोना नहीं है. बताओ मैम.
तो क्या बोलते हैं?
पिलो बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? बताओ मैम को. पिलो.
पिलो बोलते हैं. So we will cover our head with the pillow. Yes. किससे कवर करेंगे हम अपना हेड? पिलो से. everyone. Okay. Good, Yatha. Thank you. Thank you, Shireen. Thank you, Yatharth, and thank you, Ashvika. Now, Shresht will tell me. Shresht, अगर हम लोग घर के बाहर हैं, तब हम earthquake में अपने आप को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे? अगर हम घर के बाहर हैं तो
ऐसे पिल्लो लगते हैं, फिर आपको घुस जाते हैं.
ठीक है. गुड. ये तो घर के अंदर का बात है. अगर हम घर के बाहर हैं तो क्या करेंगे?
घर के बाहर है तो क्या करेंगे?
और फिर जल्दी डालो होगा.
हाँ, तो फिर हमें एक सेफेस्ट प्लेस में जाना है ना, जल्दी से
दौड़ के एक सेफ प्लेस में जाना सेफ
है ना, जिसमें ऐसी कोई जगह हो जहां पे कोई भी चीज हमारे ऊपर नहीं गिरे. ठीक है, हमें ऐसी जगह में जाना है. ठीक है. यस यस.
यस.
Now, हाँ, okay. हमारे राइम का एक लाइन था, isn't it? Earthquake, make a ground shake. तो सानवी बताइए, शेक कैसे होता है उस राइम में? हम क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं शेक करने के लिए? Earthquake, ground shake. हाँ हाँ. Very good, Sanvi. Good, very good. Now, Shriyansh, आप मैम को बताओगे? श्रेयांश,
मैम बुला रही है. देखो मैम के पास.
हाँ श्रेयांश, आप मुझे बताओगे कि अर्थक्वेक में क्या होता है? अच्छा, आप राइम का 2 लाइंस बता दो. क्या होता है अर्थक्वेक? क्या करता है? प्लीज कम ऑन क्विकली. देखो सानवी ने भी बताया अर्थक्वेक कैसे करता है. विगल 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 करता है. तो अब आप भी बता दो प्लीज. श्रेयांश. हाँ जी. हाँ. यस श्रेष्ठ. यस.
तो मुझे तो छुपना है ना,
हाँ
मुझे बताते हैं
अच्छा, तो आपको वो राइम आता है क्या? वो और
बताओ सुनो।
राइम आपको आता है क्या?
एक दो
नहीं
नहीं
अर्थक्वेक की राइम मेक द ग्राउंड जिंगल जिंगल हाँ
हाँ
श्रेष्ठ
I
पहली
know
बार
this is your favorite rhyme. I know this is your favorite. I understood and I know you know it. Okay, good. Okay. So now everyone understood earthquake में क्या होता है और हमें अपने आप को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना है. समझ में आया सबको? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, ma'am. कोई yes तो बोल दो please. Yes, ma'am. मैं समझ नहीं आया. अच्छा ओके यस मैम ओके श्रीन को आ गया समझ में ठीक है अश्विका को भी आ गया है समझ में आई एम अज्यूमिंग सबको समझ में आया है अर्थक्वेक में हमें क्या करना है यस अच्छा नाउ जस्ट अ स्मॉल थिंग just give you a basic introduction about fire safety also okay अगर हम नेचुरल कैलेमिटी की बात करें तो हम एक बार हम फायर सेफ्टी का भी बात करेंगे now can you tell me what is fire क्या होता है फायर मतलब किसी को हिंदी में पता है फायर क्या होता है फायर को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हाँ हाँ विराज नोस अच्छा अच्छा फायर किस किस हाँ वेरी गुड श्री हाँ सो ये जो आग होता है ये आप ओके नॉट दैट लाइक दैट बताओ आप अपने आप को आग से कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करोगे यस हु इज इट अच्छा ठीक है सो बिफोर आई शो यू समथिंग आई शो यू समथिंग जस्ट अ सेकेंड so that you are just a second okay just a second. Just a second the image is opening okay okay just a second I'll just reshare अच्छा everyone have you seen this vehicle somewhere कहीं देखा है ये vehicle हाँ फायर ट्रक और फायर इंजन यस हाँ एग्जैक्टली हाँ फायर engine or fire truck is both the same thing okay so now this fire truck what does it do क्या करता है ये fire truck किसी को पता है what does it do fire truck हाँ the fire truck puts off
फायर को बुझाते हैं
आग को बुझाते हैं करेक्ट श्रेष्ठ वेरी एब्सोल्यूट हाँ 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 हम लोग इससे आग को बुझाते हैं करेक्ट नाउ हु आर दीज किसको योनी आ रहा है जस्ट अ सेकेंड ओके और ये कौन होते हैं एवरीवन फायर इंजन एंड फायर ट्रक इज करेक्ट नाउ हु आर दे ये कौन है Oh, absolutely correct. Firefighters. So firefighters क्या करते हैं?
बुझाते हैं
हाँ, yes, absolutely correct. Okay, so fire engines say they take off the pipes and firefighters put off the fire. Very good, Shresh. Good.
फायर ही नहीं है मम्मी
वो fire का मैं बताती हूँ वो फायर क्यों नहीं है.
नाम बता रहे हैं.
I'll tell you. वो भी बताऊंगी मैं, फायर क्यों नहीं है वो भी बताऊंगी. Just have a bit of time. Okay. Now, can you see this, everyone? Can you see it? Or it is empty?
Yes.
Yes? Wait, I'll share it again. I suppose it is not visible. Okay. And now what is this? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Okay, very good. Who is he? Who said fire extinguisher?
Me.
Okay, very, very good, Shrestha. Wonderful. Very good. Okay. Everyone, whenever there is fire, so what we'll do, we'll call the firemen, the fire people, and then they'll come in their fire truck and the firemen will put off the fire. Yes, everyone understood? Now, what all things we need to take care if there is fire? हमें क्या करना है? Stop होना है. Okay, then drop होना है, and then we have to roll ताकि हम अपनी बॉडी को और अपने फेस को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें. Okay, so how will we protect our body? Like this, I'll tell you. Wait just a second. So today we have so many things to show that ma'am is taking a bit of time, but that's all right, isn't it? Okay. So in this one, what we do stop, drop and roll. So if our is fire, so what we'll do, we will not panic, we will just stop, we will drop ourselves on the ground and then we will cover our face and roll it on the ground so that the fire is gone. Yes, so we have learned two things. Yes, how to protect ourselves during earthquake and how to protect ourselves during fire. So fire के लिए हमें क्या करना है? Stop, drop and roll. हम कैसे करना है? अपना face cover करके and then we will roll. Yes, and earthquake में protect करना है? Drop, climb and then hold. Yes, yes. We have to drop ourselves down, then we have to go under the safest place and then we have to hold that very firmly. Yes, firmly मतलब tightly, ताकि कुछ ना हिले, ताकि हमारे ऊपर से कुछ ना हिले. Okay, okay, everyone understood? Basically, the main motive was to make you understand about earthquake, but we did fire also, a bit of fire also, and that hope you understood. Yes, we will learn about fire more the next week though. Then today is the introduction. Okay, so hope you understood. Yes, so I'm going to revise few things with you now as we have very less time. We are just revising the academics so that you can do the revision again. Okay, everyone, do you remember which alphabet is this?
A.
A, perfect. Everyone unmute yourself. You all can speak. I can hear you all. Which alphabet is this, everyone?
A.
Perfect. Which alphabet is this? Everyone will speak together. Okay, B.
B.
And B for what? B for what?
Ball.
Banana,
Ah, very good.
Then before ball.
Perfect. Very good. Now, Shreyansh is not speaking. So, Shreyansh, everyone, Shreyansh, tell me which alphabet is this? Okay. Very good. Very good. C for cat. Now, who is not speaking? Where is Sanvi? Sanvi, where did you go, Baba? And Viraj, where are you? Please come, no? Please see, every of your friend is sitting here. Okay. Now, Viraj and Sanvi. Yes. Sanvi, tell me which alphabet is this?
D.
A D, perfect. Sanvi, did you speak D? हाँ, आपने बोला D? हाँ, D for dog, perfect. Now, Viraj. Again, he ran.
Viraj.
हाँ ओके अच्छा ठीक है so now अच्छा that's okay कोई बात नहीं विराज hope you are listening now which number is this everyone
One.
everyone will speak yes one and watermelon is this
Watermelon.
wow very good Shireen good Shresh good Yatharth good Ashvika and Shriyansh very good now what is this ah perfect everyone very good now Shireen can you count please yes very good perfect everyone good very good now which number is this everyone
Three.
3 and no one everyone you have to speak together अच्छा यथार्थ please ऐसा मुंह नहीं बनाते please we are just doing the revision उसके बाद तो class खत्म हो जाएगा तक के लिए let's put a smile and do the quick revision yes now Shani can you tell me what is this
One,
what is this
three.
Apple. Which fruit is this Sanvi
Apple.
okay
Apple.
this is apple I know you know it is just that you are not speaking now yesterday or day before we did a Hindi akshar isn't it so who will tell me which Hindi akshar is this
Anar.
हाँ very good I'm so proud of you okay very good now everyone do you all remember और से अनार के अलावा लर्न किया था और से
अमरूद.
अमरूद very good यथार्थ and then और से अदरक और से अदरक very good फिर और से Achkan, very good. Very good. So we learned 5 things. Yes. Good, everyone. That's very nice that you guys are happy. Okay. अच्छा.
पहले मैम तुम सुन रहे हो कि मारे तुम डंडा लेके
Okay. चलो. So अ से अनार, अ से अमरूद, अ से अचकन, अ से अचार और अ से अदरक yes okay now we have 2 more minutes let's do a quick revision of the colors as well everyone which color is this
कौन सा कलर है
ये कौन सा yellow श्रेयांश ये कौन सा color है which color is this yellow very good okay Aram, let's speak softly. I can hear this softly, okay? Now, what is this screen?
Blue color.
I can hear everyone. Shireen is not speaking. Shireen, which?
Blue.
Very good. Now, which color is this, everyone? Shanvi, which color is this?
Red color.
Red color. And then, which color is this, everyone?
Green color.
Very good. Green. Very good. And Shreyansh, which color is this? अच्छा ये क्या है बताओ ये क्या है श्रेयांश ये क्या है बता दो जल्दी से quickly a leaf yes so it is green colored leaf yes very good everyone that means you are revising I'm so proud of you good very good so everyone let's clap for ourselves isn't it हमें अपने लिए clap करना चाहिए yes हमने अपने इतना अच्छा yes and we are proud of ourselves isn't it very good everyone so everyone have a very good and weekend okay I'll see you all on Monday okay everyone bye I'll see you on Monday bye
Bye, ma'am.
keep drinking
Bye,
water
ma'am.
bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.